You must come to Sundowns. This thing of earning 5,000 rands every month. You must come to come here, boy.
Utata yabanalo. I'm sorry but awunangqondo bhuti wami. Awunangqondo nanokuzibeke phi emaqakaleni. Uyitsho kanjani into enje kwiplayer? Umbulalela ntoni? Umaqokolo. Umbulalela ntoni umntana abantu? Uwadelelela ntoni amazulu? Ibona ke into ze-Sundowns fans. Ingqondo azikho kwabantu. Ingqondo azikho. Because ubuntu brabubi ngumuntu lona ne-feelings. Like hibo. Zaye ndayibona into enje. Tata kabantu sisibhanqa kangaka.
You must come to Sundowns. This thing of earning 5,000 rands every month. You must come to
Yo. Hayi angeke Sundown. Hayi angeke. Joke or no joke? Joke or no joke? You can't say that. You can't say that mfethu. Yizo lezi izinto ezenza bo Peterson bashaya ama-fans ngezicimo.
Fatherfucker. Sisters fucker, friend fucker.
Izinto ezikanje. You can't say that. Izinto ezikanje ezenza bo Peterson avele adonse ilabhabhi one nje. Because ayikhona baba. If you're trying to do banter, it doesn't work like this, my brother. You can't go to a player umlandi le phakathi egroundini azidlalela umjida ufika ucela ithombe then maceda usho into eso. Ngeke bafethu. It's one thing ukuthi upost mhlambe epageini lakho ukhuluma whatever ufuna ukuyikhuluma, but ukulanda ama-player umlande nje wena bese ufika usho izinto ezikanje. Nah. This is wrong bafethu. This is wrong bafethu. At the end of the day umjida, he's trying to make a living naye. He's trying to feed his family mfethu. You can't say something like this. Angeke. Wena ngabe uyasho ukuthi mjida come to Sundowns. Come to Sundowns, we can use your services. Manje ukuthi uhola malini kungenaphi? Ukuthi uhola malini like kungena kuphi mfethu? No. It doesn't work like that.
Yabona ama-Sundowns fans, full ball IQ. Maraba start mine. Qol maraba start la. Beka umbhekena kanjani yabona le ikhuluma ududu, ukhuluma umsangano phela manje. Umsangano nje kuphela lo. Uthi ukhadoso wathi lezi zinto lezi angazi kwenzakalani ngazo. I don't know kwenzakalani ngazo. Come to Sundowns, this thing of earning 5,000 a month. Ini mara leyo if umuntu ophilile wena ungasho lento leso statement leso phambi komuntu na bheka ukubhekana kanjani sengazi uyachifta uthi uyemuva cause iyabona ukuthi mara le rubber start le mara le rain. Problem Mamelodi Sundowns ukugqwela ama victory chasers, and then the victory chasers don't know football. Ama victory chasers, you know what, they need to take the football back to the people of Mamelodi West. Yabona Mamelodi West are the people who deserves ama game with Sundowns more than these victory chasers. Victory chasers, football knowledge very slim, very low. Believe you me.
Bafowethu into esizikhulumayo sometimes kodwa akusizo guys. Ezinye izinto zi-wrong nje futhi nje nawe nje if you are honest angeke nje uze uyisupport just because ekhuluma umuntu osupport team oyisupportayo. Into my wrong wrong, you know, and this is wrong.
Come to Sundowns. This thing of earning 5,000 rands every month. You must come to come here, boy.
Like, why? Why would you say that?
Come to Sundowns. This thing of earning
Niyayibona niyambona ukuthi umbambe kanjani. Into engithanda ngebhola le, ibhola unites us. There are fans that I'm close friends with that we don't even support the same team. from Sundowns, from Chiefs. But makuqala igame siyalwa and siyabantarishana, but ibhola ngoba is meant to unite us. Most of the time we are united, we are laughing. That's what football is meant to do, you know. So let's not make these types of jokes. We can joke, of course, but a joke must remain a joke, not to be disrespectful, not to be dehumanizing, not to be silly and belittling to another person. You know, it's just football. Phuma kwisalary yomuntu, phuma ukuthi uhola malini akusindaba yakho, awungeni ndawo lapho. Wena you just support. If you want a player futhi ayikho into wrong ukuthi ekuse, hey man mfethu zwakala mfethu, we need you. You can come and add value in our team.
Come to Sundowns. This thing of earning 5,000 rands every month.
Like, hey madoda, do you know ukuthi abanye bethu sikhule ngawo lama 5k as or even less, by the way, and there are people who actually earn that right now. I was even listening to the agent of Saleng saying it ukuthi, you know, there's someone who earns 4k in this league, which is a big problem also. And she, you know, obviously she couldn't reveal the identity. As focusing ebholweni bafethu, if isifuna ukuhlekisa futhi senza amabhenta vele into ekhona, but ibhenta ingajampi sekube ukuthi uyadelela, yabo, we are belittling someone else. Yeah, taking the dignity of someone else. No, guys, what did you want him to say after that? Exactly, what was he supposed to say? Yeah? Yes, I will come. Guys, let's respect footballers, okay, as fans. Especially, this is a fan that is not even supporting or playing for the team that you are wearing. But he had no business coming to you, but he did come. Because that's what football does. It unites us. After the game, he comes to you, we take pictures, we take videos, we share great memories. This is not a good memory. Not this. No. This is overboard. This is what now happens when you jump from making a joke and you actually are just disrespectful and rude.